Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix X or Twitter login error. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. In this case, there are going to be a few ways to actually fix this issue. So one of those ways is ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes having a faulty or a slow internet connection can affect the login for your Twitter account or X account, which in this case, ensure that you have a stable internet connection or switch over to a different network. Like for example, if you're using Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, go ahead and switch over to a Wi-Fi connection. Now, from here on, if that doesn't work and you're sure that you have a stable internet connection, well, the next thing you want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app itself. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here, search for X, and if you see an update button, go ahead and click on it to update it to the latest version. Now, in this case, once the update is complete, you could go ahead and open up X and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear your cache in your mobile app. In this case, press and hold on X. From here, go to app info. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the clear data at the bottom right. And from here, click on clear data. Or in this case, you can go ahead and choose clear cache first and click on OK. Now, once you click on clear cache, it will clear your cache, which in this case, you can just go ahead and open up your app and see if that solves the issue. Now, alternatively, if you're really unable to update or you're unable to log in into your account, you could try using the clear all data option here, but in this case that would actually clear all the data that includes your login information within the app itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.